However, that helped us with really cool materials. It's shorter, it's lighter, we have a better camera system. Now it all comes down to one lap.
Max is right.
So it flies like this or like that?
Like this.
Looks really cool.
Yeah. We've been working for like a year on this project. It's one of the fastest drones in the world, but it's the fastest filming drone in the world.
So do you think you can keep up with me for a full lap?
We've not picked the easiest driver to do this. We have to film Max Verstappen, the 3-time world champion, in the RB20.
That is Max getting into the car.
How confident are we feeling?
10 out of 10. If it doesn't rain. I'm not nervous normally, but now it's slowly getting me.
Firing up, the car is ready to go. Are the drones team ready?
Okay, let's get ready to go.
This is the only lap we have for the RB20.
Okay, ready?
Car leaving the garage.
Oh, he's there already. Ready? Recording? Okay, let's go up. Launch it.
There's a drone in the air. This will be our full lap. Drone is starting the full lap.
I'm on him.
Oh, this kind of shots never really been done before. The quality is really good. Oh wow! Now you have to also be careful with the bridges to go
Just over it.
It's crazy. I never thought, to see a drone going that quick. It gives a different perspective to watching Formula One.
Very little bit to the side and then try to match up. And follow first do that.
Yeah, that's really nice. Bit of a shame with the rain.
Well, next we need a full speed dry lap behind you.
Sure. This can change how people watch Formula One.